My name's James, and both my wife Leanne and daughter Esther have EDS. My daughter, who was only 11, had AAI and CCI and basilar invagination, which was causing issues with her autonomic functions like breathing, heart rate. Sometimes she'd stop breathing for no reason and have to consciously make her body breathe. Her digestion was also not working and she was living on mashed potato. And my wife had AAI, CCI, subaxial instability going a long way down her spine, and a Chiari malformation. And honestly, by the time we got to Dr Gilete, she was almost dead. She couldn't eat or stand, her body was totally shutting down. Even when sitting, she couldn't hold her head up, it would fall forward. She was struggling with breathing, she'd lose consciousness. Had to spend her life in bed in a dark room with extreme sensitivity to light and noise. I can't explain how hard it was for her and for us as a family. But Dr Gilete has fused both of their spines, for Esther from skull to C2 and for my wife from skull to T10, which is right down at the bottom of the ribs, and also a skull decompression for my wife. That was a mammoth operation. Took about 13 hours, but both of them are now recovered so well and has completely changed their lives. I really don't think anyone could tell now that Esther is anything other than a completely normal, almost teenager. All the issues related to the instability and the basilar invagination are completely gone, and she's totally transformed. She eats everything, she sleeps perfectly, it's just amazing to see. And from the moment she woke up, even in the ICU, she was just a different child. Leanne's recovery is a slightly longer process, but she's doing so well. In the 3 months since her surgery, she's walking even 500 meters now. She's going out to cafes, she's enjoying life, she's getting stronger each day. She can eat again, and although she can never bend her spine, that's a small price to pay. She's finding just different ways to live a normal life. And throughout the whole process, Dr Gilete and his team were so incredibly supportive. Amy was always there for us to advise us or reassure us whenever needed, and Dr Gilete just went above and beyond in terms of helping us both before the surgery and after the surgery, and I just would not entrust my girls to anyone else. And for the first time in many years, we're able to look forward with hope, we're able to make plans for the future, and we're so grateful to God and to Dr Gilete, Amy and his entire team, and we can't recommend them highly enough.